Welcome to our sacred sanctuary of abundance, where the limitless power of daily affirmations intertwines with the universal flow of miracles. Prepare to embark on a soul-stirring journey of self-discovery and manifestation as we dive deep into the transformative realm of attracting miracles through the art of affirmations. Before we begin, let us first immerse ourselves in the profound wisdom encapsulated within the affirmations that shall serve as our guiding light on this transformative odyssey. I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me will simply find me. These words, resonating with the cosmic rhythm of the universe, carry within them the essence of surrender, trust, and divine alignment. They remind us to release the shackles of scarcity and embrace the boundless abundance that awaits us. As we traverse through the realms of consciousness, let us embody the essence of these affirmations and allow their sacred vibration to permeate every fiber of our being. Now, close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath, allowing the soothing waves of tranquility to wash over you. With each inhale, invite a sense of peace and serenity into your soul, and with each exhale, release any remnants of tension or resistance that may linger within. As you surrender to the rhythm of your breath, feel yourself becoming attuned to the harmonious frequency of the universe, ready to receive the abundance that flows effortlessly towards you. With the foundation of stillness laid, let us commence our journey by repeating our affirmations, each word echoing with the resonance of truth and empowerment. Repeat after me, either out loud or to yourself. I don't chase. I attract. What belongs to me will simply find me. Feel the potency of these words reverberating within you, igniting a spark of divine knowingness that transcends the limitations of the physical realm. With each repetition, allow yourself to sink deeper into the vast ocean of abundance that surrounds you, knowing that you are a powerful co-creator of your reality. Now, let us expand upon our affirmations, weaving a tapestry of intention and manifestation that stretches beyond the confines of space and time. Repeat after me, either out loud or to yourself. I am a magnet for miracles, effortlessly attracting blessings into my life. The universe conspires in my favor, orchestrating encounters and opportunities that align with my purpose. I release all resistance and surrender to the flow of abundance. I trust in the inherent wisdom of the universe, knowing that everything unfolds in perfect timing. My heart is a vessel of gratitude, overflowing with appreciation for the abundance that surrounds me. I am worthy of all of the blessings that come my way, and I graciously accept them with open arms. I am the master of my reality, and I choose to manifest a life filled with joy, abundance, and miracles. With each affirmation, feel the energetic resonance vibrating within you, harmonizing with the symphony of creation that reverberates through the cosmos. Embrace the infinite possibilities that lie before you, knowing that you are infinitely deserving of all of the blessings that the universe has to offer. Now, let us take a moment to bask in the boundless abundance that surrounds us, allowing ourselves to fully embody the essence of these affirmations. Visualize yourself immersed in a shimmering sea of prosperity, with every cell of your being pulsating with the radiant energy of abundance. Feel the exhilaration and liberation that comes from knowing that you are a powerful co-creator of your reality, capable of manifesting miracles beyond your wildest dreams. As we prepare to conclude this transformative meditation, take a few moments to express gratitude for the abundance that already exists in your life and for the miracles that are on their way. Know that the universe is always conspiring in your favor, and the path to your dreams is unfolding in perfect divine timing. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you the unwavering belief in your ability to attract miracles and create the life of your dream. Trust in the process, stay open to receiving, and watch as the universe unfolds its magic in your life. Until next time, be well, my friend.